Michael Burry rose to prominence after winning a wager against mortgages. In other words, the Big Short, and that was in the run-up to the 2008 financial crisis. Recently, Burry has become a cult figure on social media. He's made some very ominous predictions of a looming downturn. In a May tweet, he raised the specter of a market crash similar to the market crash of just 14 years ago. So, Michael, what have you done for us lately? Let's take a look. In a recent tweet, Burry blasted the latest stock market melt-up as silliness and is claiming, correctly in my opinion, that the U.S. economy is facing difficulties. In this tweet, he reminded us of some pretty lofty bubbles, the aftermath, which we pretty much know. And then he opines that the current silliness will end like it ended following so many other bubbles. And just as quickly as he tweets, he promptly deletes the evidence. But Burry thinks that the worst is yet to come. In this tweet, he foresees a household debt crisis that would pose a serious danger to the economy. He stated that net consumer credit balances are rising at record rates as consumers choose violence rather than cut back on spending in the face of inflation. And this graph from Bloomberg shows the U.S. consumer borrowing increased by $40.2 billion in June from the prior month. And this was the second biggest increase ever, according to data from the Federal Reserve. And so, winter is coming, suggesting that households continue to spend money depleting their savings. In doing so, Americans are putting themselves in a financial situation while inflation remains a drag on the economy. At least Mr. Big Short puts his money where his mouth is, but this time he's pulled his money, as the case may be. Now, Burry has done something few of his peers would consider doing. He has traded in line with his statements. In a recent 13F filing, the Big Short investor has liquidated his entire portfolio, which, as of March 31st, had a notional value of just over $200 million. He now holds only one stock, private jail operator Geo Group. To be fair, the 13F doesn't reveal non-U.S. traded securities or short positions, but you can see in the left side of the chart he bailed on all of these stocks, including Apple, Google, and Meta platforms. All I have to say is this guy has conviction. And for today, that's ChewDog Charts. Thank you.